Done yet?
Yeah, we're done. Alright. So I got lucky on that one.
You my 3/4, you steal it?
No, I put it back over there. Should be right there. I tried to bunch them up. The wrenches. I'm trying to keep it a little organized. So yeah, I just loosen these hose clamps with a screwdriver. You can use that or like, I think it's what, a 1/4 inch socket or something. Hose clamp socket, the heat shield. You need a hand?
Yeah, hold that one.
You're tightening it, man. Alright, no.
Hold on. You gonna hold on to
I
it
got
this
it, yeah,
time?
it's loose.
Quit moving, just hold it. Oh, you gonna move it? Move.
Move? You want me to move or you?
You gonna hold or move? You gotta pick the one you're gonna
I'm gonna hold.
do. Okay. And if you hold, I can move.
I'll hold.
If we both move, it doesn't work.
Alright.
Dude, we have upgraded hardware here with a lot of red Loctite on it.
Alright.
Okay.
That's impossible.
Did you put the red Loctite on it?
No, we're gonna get updated hardware.
Oh,
That's bigger than the stock hardware. It didn't come loose.
Got a 1/4 inch drive over here, 3/4 inch wrench over here. Yeah, that stuff doesn't go in the little bin because we just throw this to the side.
no, that's for the carburetor. No, that's for the
No,
carburetor.
I know.
Those bolts.
Yeah, I'm here, so. Alright, I gotta get this off. I'm gonna take the shields off. So it's gonna take all the way out.
Yep.
That's cool.
It'll help you pull the spark plugs out. Didn't do that yet either.
Yeah, I didn't want to prematurely do anything weird. Here's your socket.
Don't loosen up the intake manifold. Enough of that. Spark plugs are loose already.
Yeah, no, I torqued them a couple of those before I stopped. I used a torque wrench to see what they were torqued at, and then I loosened them up a little.
Was it tight?
Yeah, they were tight. They were at like 90 pounds, I think.
I don't think so.
I did loosen them.
I'm pretty sure you can't torque this to 90 foot-pounds.
No, you don't torque spark plugs. You tighten them to.
Oh no, I thought he was talking about the cylinder.
No, spark plugs are hand tight.
Cylinder bolts. I thought he was talking about the cylinders, storage, torque bolts.
Okay.
Okay, right. Screwdriver these things out.
So obviously it's not the right size. Alright, wrong one. It's not 1/4 inch, it must be 5/16.
Yeah, and keep in mind, everybody, this is the first time I've ever done this. So.
Well, that's why you have the master at your side.
Hey, fortunately.
I do need to go get my water, so I'll be back in a second. Where'd you put my
You're not a very good photographer.
Hey, I've been filming you guys.
No cussing, it's a family show, man.
Hey, you're on video right now, so kiss my ass.
Oh, I
bitch.
know. It's alright, I'll burn out into your car. I'll rear end you. couldn't find a ratchet to get the bolt off, so figured the screwdriver will work. So obviously takes a little longer, but yeah, sometimes it backfires before you try to start it. You gotta make sure you turn the screwdriver the right way. I hope they're not really recording me. They are on candid camera. So as you can see, it takes me like a month just to put your heat shields on your exhaust pipe. But hey, eventually, one day, put them on.
Ronnie,
What?
my keys, where are they?
Told you they were right here. I've been home the whole time.
I can tell you they were right here.
Alright, well hey.
Right there.
Where are they?
This don't make anything easy on me. I'm having enough trouble getting the heat shield off. You know?
Thank you.
Yeah, so if you don't want to do this, you should probably go just buy a Yamaha, like a Virago, like 1 cylinder, 250 or something. Otherwise, wow. Hopefully by the time he gets back, I'll have the exhaust on, but he's already coming back, so I won't even have the shield off by then. It sucks.
Get off yet?
Yeah, we're working on it.
Can't be that
Turns
hard.
out these hose clamps are just a pain in my ass, but
Let's use a
I'll get it off.
quarter drive ratchet set.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for, but I couldn't find the right.
Right over there. That's the right one.
I didn't find the right ratchet. I got it off with a right socket.
Maybe the right one. That doesn't fit in there either. Damn it. Need a socket. Need a quarter drive socket to get the intake manifold off. Can't find one. Don't put in my tools.
Who would have thought the hardest part to get off would be the hose clamps on your heat shield?
Well, you do need a socket.
I know, I looked dude, but
I mixed up all my sockets over here. Who did that?
I got one over here. I got
Actually,
Actually, probably two.
sockets are over here because these are the ones that work. Let's try that one.
it's too big.
Let's try it.
Yeah, this one's too big too.
Someone's mixed up my metric.
Maybe not. Yeah. I guess I had the right one the whole time.
There you go.
Hey, I'm a liar. So yeah, here we go. Heat shield's coming off. Not yet. Actually, it turns out there's one more of these things, but now I got the socket. I have the ratchet right here. So, won't be a problem now. No pressure, you know what I mean? It's not like you're being videotaped or nothing. It's cool with me. I just didn't want to do it. Go ass up, you know? Dude, stay gone for longer so I can get these damn pipes off. I mean. Take your time, Tatro. Give me a minute. Take your time, bro.
Hey, where's my? You got my feet?
Hey, there's nothing you can do with that. Well, it turns out that Tatro put scratches all over the pipes from these hose clamps. No, it's a heat shield. You're gonna have to do that. So, set this over here.
I can't have my feet.
Nope. Alright, so now I'm going to take these exhausts off.
Shouldn't let
I
you
need to
right
put, hey, put it in. Alright. like it's like a 3/8.
Okay, now it's getting a little low.
Actually, it's like a 1/2 inch, I think. 7/16.
Hmm?
A 1/2 inch. Should put his sockets back.
Don't put them back until
Order
you
as possible.
clean them off. They all got to be washed down and wiped off before.
So let me use this one.
Here,
Here we go.
parts go on the fucking cardboard.
Alright. 1/2 inch. Not very tight, obviously. Tatro doesn't tighten it down very good. Nothing but love. And obviously, he's gonna have to show me how to get this one off. So I need a 1/2 inch close end wrench. I guess I can work on these. This one I can loosen.
You said you don't have to take that one off.
Not the heat shield, no.
Oh yeah, not the heat shield. That's right.
Yeah, basically put strip bolt on here. I want to strip it. That's good. This one I can get off. Yeah, we're still working on it, bro. Alright.
You can't find, you need it. 5/16 12-point socket.
I had the one in my house for the. Which one are you trying to take off? The cylinder or the exhaust manifold? So that's the one on the other side over there, the 4. I had one at my house too. Shit.
Nope.
Oh, you need one for it right here. I got you. Alright, intake manifold.
Did you get the exhaust off yet? What are you doing?
Yeah, I'm getting it off right now. It looks like I need an open face for this one bolt, but other than that, I think I got it off. This one should be off right now, besides the down here. Hopefully I'm cool to take these ones off first. We'll figure out that when we get there, I guess, huh?
If you use the tools over here, they look a lot easier.
Oh no, I got the socket. It's easier just to hand twist it. I'm gonna lose these. It doesn't look like there's any washers on there, so we're good. Those in the bucket.
Loose. That one's still tight.
Yeah, I gotta get this off, and I need an open end wrench to get the one inside here off.
No, you don't. You don't use open end on anything like that.
I don't like.
You use sockets. That's where the tools are laying there.
So I gotta find a short 1/2 inch.
See, somebody's mixed up all my tools over there.
I know. Probably me.
Heating and sockets over here I don't have.
I have one out. I had one out. Quarter drives. I have the extension over here. I got the quarter drive ratchet.
I don't have 2.5 inch.
I didn't see one in the quarter drive, but
There's 2.5 inch quarter drive sockets here. I don't have
What's this one?
a 1/2 inch ratchet. 1/2 inch drive ratchet. That's what I was using for this 1/2 inch I have here. It's not a quarter drive. I do have a 1/2 inch long
Oh, that's in there.
ratchet, or socket rather. So here, let me see what.
My quarter drive, my 12 inch extension there.
3/4 open
Those studs are way too long.
here. Actually, let me get that. He said not using open end wrench. I already got that one off. I can't get, yeah, that's the only one that I couldn't get the long drive on. So obviously I was coming at it from the wrong angle.
Hey, he's got to learn. He's got to learn by doing.
Alright. As long as I don't piss Tatro off too bad. Mess with any of his tools.
You already did.
I'm really trying not to, man.
Bring back my wrench I took over there. You keep taking my wrenches, I leave out the mig.
Alright, I think it was 3/4, right?
No, that little small one over there. She took from me. No, it wasn't right when you were playing. Yes.
Don't be throwing shit at me, Thursday.
It's alright. Yeah. Trying to keep it
Tools
all
I put
together.
out for me and then they disappear.
Yeah. Well, that's my bad.
What is that, your favorite wrench?
No,
No,
that's
it's the wrench is gonna take the bolt or the nut out that he
Someone's
needs to
gonna
get
get the
off.
intake
Oh,
off.
I got you, I got you.
So, yeah, we need it.
Sometimes you feel like a nut, sometimes
And
you
I
don't.
gotta take the rest of those exhaust off because I haven't loosened on those back bolts at all. Maybe we made it that far.
Give me a 9/16 open end. Yeah, good. Give me an open end this time.
Open in.
That'd be a 9-box. Let's get one on the bucket
I
there.
got you. My bad.
Yep.
No stress.
You just take deep breaths. You're gonna
No,
learn,
it's fine.
Stevie. It's all good. You're learning.
Give me half.
I just don't wanna.
Right under it. Right under it.
Apparently 9/16 was not the right size.
It's alright. Come on, hey.
Nope. Evidently I jammed out of it for some reason.
Yeah, it's alright.
Is this bike gonna vibrate?
It's because of light. There's low light in here, so it's hard to judge a bolt or a nut by the size.
By the side.
I should probably be taking this one off. I'm doing that. It does look like a page two, though.
And you gotta do the same thing that he's got, huh?
Yeah, let's do
It's
it.
alright. I'll figure it out.
Nope.
That's again. There we go.
I'll show you.
Yeah.
So you don't know why I traded, but I do.
It's cool though. It's an honor though for me to be down here.
See, this is a
None of these
6
bolts are
point.
tight, but it's just like
That's a 12 point.
these are the stock
Tight
bike I
clearance.
got out front. Pile, so.
Just gotta learn the difference in the tools.
If
What's
you
what?
stood up, you would have heard what I said.
No, I heard you. You use a 12 point or mine is?
The one he's got is a 6 point. The one you got is a 12 point.
If you're working on the back hole, you need more flexibility when you're
Alright. No, I did hear
So
the
you go
12
from
point.
here to here, you can go here to here.
There's a difference in tools.
Yeah. Hey. Another key thing I should be wrestling like you said. Absolute honor, so. Obviously that's gonna wobble. This one should be off.
I got it. Steve,
Gotta back it up here. Gotta back up my camera system.
oh, more people coming in?
No,
That's probably my brother.
Figure this was gonna go over here already?
yeah. One pipe down,
Yeah.
other pipe coming.
And if you notice anything about it, it had nothing to do with me. Nothing professional here, but
Final exhaust. Scooby ran off too. You chased him
Stevie's
off.
probably,
You chased him away.
no, he's probably sleeping. He's like, fuck you guys.
You know we're sleeping.
Scooby.
He's in his fucking, does he stay here all night long or after you go home or?
Oh no.
Probably
He goes with you?
Screwed on like a Scooby cylinder or something.
He's Mama's dog, he ain't my dog.
Scooby cylinder.
Your mother's dog or?
Yeah. He sleeps with her.
Excuse me.
What are you doing down there?
I don't know, dude. I know there's a nut with a.
There's a pipe coming off though, we know that.
Yeah. I'm
So once you get the pipe off, we'll work on the motor.
Yeah.
Gotta get all the accessory stuff off first.
Keep in mind, I should have already had this off.
Yeah, I'll do